See, after I made the marks, then I go with the white. And I get more white, and it's very watery, so that it's only a tint. And I'm going over my stuff. And what I'm doing is I'm kind of killing that, the look of that. We don't want it that stark. And the lighter we make this board, the better anyhow. Because it gives it a good, you know, goes from a light to a dark. The opposite direction of the light. And so you want this to appear choppy. That's what you want this to start to appear. Okay. Okay, so you have it here, and here, and here, here. And that's how you get kind of a feeling of that choppiness of the wood. And notice I don't care for these particular little marks here, so I'm going to take them out of there. There are these little marks. I'd rather the wood be, you know, have a straight feeling to it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, straight bent piece of wood. Straight bent, imagine. But anyway, but that's what you want. You want the wood to be more. Now here, that's another area, see, where you have an area where the value is so close that you almost don't see it, so we had to accent that. We had to bring that out. Well, that happens here with the grass. The value is the same, so that if you squint your eyes, you can't see it. So what you do is you take, again, a lot of water, and white, and you come up through here. It's how many layers you use that is what makes it. So you use one layer, and 2 layers, and 3 layers. See, so now that when that dries, we have a difference between the background now and that. You can see a line. What will help, and what many professionals use, the light is coming from this way. So what many professionals will do is this. Remember, the light's coming from this way. If it was anything sticking out like this board here, they might highlight the edge of this lighter than the background. But in this edge, what do? You can't put white on it because it's darker. So what do? Well, you make a darker edge. That's what you should always do in a light area anyway. Make a darker edge. If the other doesn't work. But it has to be a thin dark edge. So let's see what happens. Let's try it. And what this is, it's the corner of the board.
Yeah, that works.
That becomes the corner of the board. You see? And we don't need so much of it down here. This can be less, more ambiguous. You see? And so that many of the pros use that technique. That is the corner of the board that's wore out. And if it was on the other side, it would be the lighter. So then we take the white again. And we run it along that edge. Again, using that same technique. Killing that edge. and then it doesn't bother you. Okay, so that's that so far. So where we at? Where we at in time? We almost, oh no, we're almost out of time?